Hi folks, this is Roger Duffy with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Come join me on a walkthrough here. Should be informative and fun. Got Diamond Dora, 52-foot Bluewater, coming back into the slip. She's looking good. VIP stateroom, old TV, plenty of storage, decorative pillows. Nice lockers. It's got its own air conditioning control. Little seat down here. Sit on, change your clothes or putting on shoes. Guest head. Salon's got plenty of room. We do have a lower control station here as well. So you can drive this boat down here if you want to stay in the air conditioning or be up on the bridge, whichever is your preference. Dining table.
Take it out there and dump it on the ground.
Okay. Master bedroom. And master bath. It actually has a bathtub. And a shower, of course. There's an exit from the salon right here. And it's super easy to get up on the bow of this boat. There's the bow area. And we're looking up at the bridge where we just were. Got a large sunning area here, and then big round table with plenty of seating. Then you move forward to the helm area. Great seating up here and some observer seating. You got the stereo, the depth finder, chart plotter, VHF radio, compass, bow thruster controls, or your switch panel. Trim tab controls, remote spotlight control. And check out the size of this hardtop. There's so much shade up here. The hardtop is probably 20 or 25 feet long, I would guess. Thing's got a huge 50 amp shore power. And just do a walk down the side of the boat. Gonna need a tall slip. You can get up to the bridge there or into the master stateroom. Walk down here. Side of the boat looks really good. Thanks for joining us today. I hope it's been informative. If you need any information on this boat or any others, please contact me or any of the other associates here at our 3 locations, Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. See you on the water.